Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Public Mobile. First, you'll need to get a Public Mobile SIM card. You can order it conveniently online or pick one up at a participating retailer. Before you begin, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with their network. Also, have your personal details and a payment method ready, as these will be essential for a smooth activation process. This preparation ensures you're ready for the next steps. Once you have your SIM, head to the Public Mobile website to start activation. You'll enter the 20-digit number found on your new SIM card. Next, browse through the available plans and choose one that best fits your data, talk, and text needs. After selecting your plan, you'll input your personal information and finalize the payment for your initial month of service. This step officially brings your new service to life. With your SIM activated, it's time to set up your device. Power off your phone, then carefully insert the new Public Mobile SIM card into the designated slot. Once the SIM is in place, power your phone back on. Your device should automatically connect to the Public Mobile network. If you encounter any issues with data or messaging, you might need to manually check and adjust your APN settings, which are usually found in your phone's network settings. To easily manage your new service, download the Public Mobile app. It's a convenient way to keep track of your data usage, view your billing, and make any necessary plan adjustments directly from your phone. You can also access these features through the online self-serve portal. Remember to explore their rewards program, where you can earn benefits for being a loyal customer and for referring friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.